What's up, guys? It's me, it's Killer, and today I'm going to be playing zombies. I am by myself, and this is a different server. This is not Snapcraft. This is not Snapcraft. Today the server is AE and link IP will be in the description. Okay, this is a very fun server too. Okay. This is a very fun server. Me and my brother play this. He might not be joining in this IP server. I will be doing a lot of zombie. I might do a lot of zombies on this server. So, guys, you might see me on this server so much, and probably like Killjoy once in a while. Okay, so let's get started. Let's start with the round one. See, as you can see, I have all this armor. I played like 2 years ago probably, and it reset, so I started all over again, and I actually got this in 2 days. Got that lucky sword. Yeah, so just vote and just team up with some of your friends, your cousins probably. My cousin might join this series too, so you never know. It'll probably be a surprise. Okay, so let's go around and fight some zombies. If it even spawned out. Okay, so it didn't spawn out. I hate this glitch. It like doesn't spawn out. The server is still up. I don't know whenever it's gonna come down or come down for maintenance. Okay, let's just start with raid. As you can see, this is a Black Ops map, so it has lots of Black Ops maps. Yeah. It tells you their heart rate right there. Each wave will get harder and harder. And on the boring parts, I might just I don't know, probably not cut them out the boring parts. The exciting parts are there. I'll just record, but probably that'll be later on. Where is it? Okay, there's one person, and you do spawn out with some stuff. You spawn out with kit starter, and yeah, you might see me like without diamond armor. I might play on my alternate account on this. I might play on that. This is like too easy for me, but if it's like rank 50, I'm dead. Okay, and watch out for the fire wounds. They're fast and they blow up. There's perks in here. The box is 1,500. You should be saying why it should be 950, but it's actually easy to get points. The point is $100. I mean, the kill is $100. Wolves. Each wolf round will increase a lot of health. Or probably just one, probably none. Yeah, so let's keep on going. Run. There you go. It wouldn't run. Okay, so I want to see who we get. And there is rank. Look at this guy down. But there is kits. Like there's kit starter only. If you type by kit god 150, legendary rank 100, supporter rank 60, elite 30, 15 for supporter, and VIP for $5. I don't know why VIP is the lowest. It should be the highest. Okay, so let's just get started. Let's start killing every zombie I see. There's like really no zombies. Let's join another one. A high lead. Okay. This is what Kickstarter has. Okay, Kickstarter has this. I keep on using Kickstarter for the food. Oh. Okay. Wave 20 now. Wave 30. Let's go. Oh. Hi there, Mr. Wolf. Look at this, it's so hard to kill him. And look at my sword. 30 HP. Look. Let's just do this with this. No. Okay. Gosh, these guys went down. Gosh, these guys went down. It's so annoying. Oh my gosh, like every single round I played had like wolves. I don't know why. The wolves hate me. Let's see how much my bow does. 30 HP too. Oh, it takes me 10 HP. Oh, that's good. If I charge it up, I'll die. God, I am. Gosh, finally. Take a god out there. And if you join this, you might see me play, and if you like I'm sometimes disappointed in everyone, and I'll just give him some loot, like diamond armor, probably once in a while, some iron stuff, and I'll even buy diamond armor for them, just to make you think I'm a nice person. Oh my god, they have me cornered. Oh my god, they have recorded so good. Until Fire Zombie came. And the good thing about Fire Zombies are, they explode everyone that's around them. So, stay on me. You just... That was weird. Let's go for this guy. This guy was my main guy that I was going for. Die. Oh my god. I have a feeling I'm just gonna die right here with all my good armor. And that's probably true. Let's go. Guys, I'm bringing him. Help me! Oh my god, thank you, Fire Zombie. Can any of you guys help me? I'm dying. Oh, thank you. Dang. Oh god, he has a good sword. He's horrible. Oh my god, that saved my life. Oh my god. Why am I not buying anything? Okay, so the points that you get, what I would do is buy all the perks first. There's Juggernaut. And I want to see what this, it says like Jug or something. It says Jugger right here. It says it costs like 30 million. Jugger. What does this do? I don't know what that does. I knew it took away 10,000 of them. Oh, it took away 1,000 my points. Okay, well, guess this is it for this video. Okay, leave, like, subscribe, or comment. Check out my other channel. My other channel is gonna be mini games. Probably some Gary's mod. Probably, maybe. Leave. Yeah. This one is factions, zombies, and server reviews. And probably modded survival kind of stuff with my brother. Okay, so thanks for watching.